What is going on, guys? It is Dub V and Prestige Worldwide. We're back with some 2022 Panini Revolution Basketball, a half caser, 4-box number 5, the 9th of May. It's gonna be May. I want to take a look at all 8 of these boxes. I'm gonna pick out 4 of my faves. I'm going to go this one, this one, this one, and this one. We'll save these 4 for a later dater. Of course, you can't see that top one there that I liked. 4 boxes, Revolution Basketball. This box, I think that's going to be the hitter right there, baby. That little Monday night hitter. Here we go, 21-22 Revolution Basketball. Be a nice Giannis there. Looking for some nice rookies tonight. 4 rookies, 4 inserts, 8 parallels per box on average. No autograph guaranteed. Clear the stage for box number 1. Here we go. Montrezl Harrell. Christian Wood. Wow, nice Vortex Luka. The Fractal Vortex Luka. Quentin Grimes rookie. Harden, Portis, Russell. And we've got a Sabonis. Nice Astro. Supernova Kevin Durant. Nice Supernova for KD. Nice little Isaiah Todd rookie Astro variation for the Wizards. And a nice rookie as well, Brandon Boston Jr. Brandon Boston Jr. rookie. Darius Garland, Anthony Edwards, Ant-Man. And how about this rookie Scotty Barnes, the impact numbered 72 out of 149 for Toronto. Lorenzo G. 72 out of 149 for Toronto. And another Vortex. This time it's that Giannis that we saw. Nice Giannis Vortex for the Bucks. Stopping here for a little Michael Porter action on the Groove. Michael Porter Groove. A rookie, Scotty Barnes. Scotty Barnes again for Toronto. Making an appearance 2 times. How about this? DG. Darius Garland for the Cleveland Cavaliers and the Astro. That's a nice insert. And check out this. Jalen Green. Beautiful, beautiful portrait Revolution. Love that card. Sick hitter for the Houston Rockets. Houston, it is Austin B. Austin B. Nice card there. Stopping here for a rookie, Usman Garuba. Usman Garuba, Astro for the Rockets rookie, and a Miles McBride rookie for the Knicks. Jaylen Brown, Tyrese Maxey on that Groove for the Philadelphia 76ers. And a rookie Revolutions, Herbert Jones for the Pelicans. Herbert Jones for the Pelicans. Box number 1. A couple of nice rookies. Darius Garland was nice. Of course, the Giannis, as well as that Kevin Durant. Nice combination of both rookie and veteran Coming out of box number 1 here. A little Monday Night Basketball. And this is a thin pack here. 2 cards. 2 cards in that pack. Interesting. That might have been the first time I've seen one of those. 2 cards in a pack. That could be hopefully monumental. Clearing the stage again for box 2. Gordon Hayward, DeRozan, John Morant. Rookie Chris Duarte for the Indiana Pacers, the Astro variation. And a rookie Zari Williams. Nice Memphis Grizzlies rookie Steven. There you go, kid. Getting on the board with the Grizz. Jalen Brunson. We'll stop here for a Bobby Portis on the Fractal for the Milwaukee Bucks. And a James Harden Vortex. Followed up by Damian Lillard. Vortex back-to-back. This is the Fractal variation. The Dame. Rookie Usman Garuba again for the Houston Rockets. How about a little DeAndre Ayton? Oh, I thought that was a variation of Ayton. Speaking of a crazy series, that series is nuts. How about this? The Chris Paul. This is exactly what I was talking about. What a situation that was last night with his mom and a fan. Rookie Revolutions Seguin. Stop here for a little Bones Highland rookie. Bones Highland rookie on the Groove variation as well for the Denver Nuggets. I think we got an auto coming up. Isaiah Todd, Washington Wizards rookie. Was this part of that little 2 card? It was. It's Seguin, and it's a rookie auto of Alperen Seguin, Houston Rockets. Wow. The 2 card pack brings out an autograph for Houston and Austin B. Nice. Kessler Edwards as well for the Brooklyn Nets. Rookie on the Cosmic 71 out of 99. How about this liftoff Donovan Mitchell die cut? Nice Michael Porter Jr. on the Groove. Rookie James Bouknight. Rookie for the Hornets. Fred Van Fleet on the Astro. And a Vortex Revolution Jalen Suggs. How about that for the Orlando Magic? Again, I still think that box might be the beauty. On to box 3 here. Any one-touches and shipping insurance can be purchased at pwwcards.com. Got some personal breaks available there as well. If you're looking for a specific product, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Send us a DM or a message there. We'll be happy to respond and see what we can't come up with for you. Appreciate everyone getting in on the action tonight and breaking with us. Happy Monday. What's the update of the basketball games going on tonight? I have to check those out here. Box number 3. Start things off with a little Chef Curry action. But make a stop for a Jaden Springer rookie for the Philadelphia 76ers on the Groove variation. Sharif Cooper for the Atlanta Hawks, rookie. How about this? Brandon Boston Jr. A beautiful cubic 23 out of 50 LA Clippers rookie variation. That's Josh N. There you go, Josh. A supernova James Harden. the Sixers. Delano Banton, rookie for the Toronto Raptors on the Astro Raptors. A handful of inserts. Rookie Moses Moody. Parting the sea. How about that? Nice stuff there for the Warriors. How about a D'Angelo Russell, though, on that little groove insert? And a Vortex. L.A. Lakers. Jamie C. hitting the LeBron James. Vortex. Nice insert there for the Lakers. A rookie Revolution Trey Mann for the Oklahoma City Thunder. Beautiful insert there. Love that for OKC. And a rookie Trey Murphy for the Pels, the Pelicans. Giannis. Making a stop for a little Seth Curry Astro action for Brooklyn. And a Shockwave Anthony Davis. And the Lakers have come alive here tonight. There's LeBron again. Montrezl Harrell on the groove for the Charlotte Hornets. Austin Reeves, a rookie for the Lakers. The Lake Show. How about a Desmond Bain Astro for the Memphis Grizzlies? And a Supernova James Harden again for the 76ers. So again, I think we're saving the best for last. This box stuck out to me. Maybe it's a dud, maybe it's not. Let's finish on a good note either way. Right after this, we've got Phoenix football. 4 boxes of that as well. Not going to want to miss that. Stick around, hang out, enjoy the show as we rip some Phoenix football. We'll get these packaged up, sorted, and shipped. They will be shipped tonight, picked up and scanned in tomorrow, and hope these get to you guys ASAP. Box number 4. Last and final. Here we go. Rookie Jaden Springer. Jaden Springer, rookie for Groove. Rookie Sharif Cooper. Oh, is it another auto? It is double auto night. Davion Mitchell, rookie out of Sacramento. How about that one, my man Roberto A long time friend of the show. Roberto hitting that Davion Mitchell. Sacramento Kings. Nice. 2 autos tonight. Out of Revolution Basketball. I like that. Miles McBride. How about this beauty on the Sunburst? 38 out of 60. Miles McBride. Shockwave. Josh, everybody do the giddy. OKC Shockwave Giddy. The collation got turned around. Interesting. Giannis. Clint Capella with a nice groove for the Hawks. And a rookie Austin Reeves again for the Lakers. Fred Van Fleet on the Astro. And how about this Zion Liftoff die cut beauty for the Pelicans? How about that one? It's got New Orleans. Joseph K. There you go, kid. Congrats on that insert. Cameron Thomas, rookie Astro for the Brooklyn D's Nets. Moses Moody again for the Warriors on the rookie. Kawhi Leonard on the Clippers groove insert, and a Ja Morant Vortex. We've seen some awesome rookies and some great veterans tonight coming out of a 4-box break number 5 of Revolution Basketball. Here's a Franz Wagner for the Orlando Magic, and a rookie Trey Murphy III for New Orleans. Last little handful. We'll make a stop with little John Collins on the Astro, and a rookie Revolution parallel of Davion Mitchell finish up the break. Again, nice stack of rookies. 2 autos of Seguin and Mitchell. Thanks, guys. That was break number 5. Appreciate you guys breaking with us. We look forward to breaking with you guys again soon. Peace.